In this video, we will show you how to replace the load short element in a 520 REM pump head. This process will also be relevant for changing the load short element in the 520 REL, REH and RET pump head. It's important that you wear the correct safety equipment. As the load short element nears the end of its life, it becomes more prone to failure. If failure has occurred, you will need to consult the cleaning protocol specific to your process. The leak detection accessories for the Watson-Marlow 530 case pump do not come as standard. If an accessory is installed and connected, the pump will stop and you will receive a leak detect message. To begin, always isolate the pump from the mains power supply and isolate your process control signals and fluid connections. Using a flathead screwdriver, open the guard to reveal the tubing in the track. Use an appropriate material to absorb any excess fluid from the track. Now the top port, pull the load short connector from the track. Slowly rotate the rotor anti-clockwise as you remove the load short element. The leak detector, if installed, hangs below the pump head. Clean off all fluid but leave in place at this stage. Clean the pump head in line with the protocol relevant to the fluid being transferred. If a new pump head is required, you may wish to remove the pump head at this stage. To reinsert the element, slide the load short connector into the guide at the bottom port. Push the tubing into the track whilst rotating the rotor clockwise. Close the guard, ensuring it clicks shut. Turn the pump on. If the leak detect screen still shows, you can reset this using the prompt. If the leak detect persists, you may need to wipe down or flush out your leak detector. There are two types of leak detector associated with a 520 pump head: an optical leak detector and a float leak detector. Both leak detectors unscrew from their position at the underside of the pump head. With an optical type leak detector, follow your cleaning protocol to remove any fluid, ensuring the lens is clean, dry and free of any debris or chemical attack. For a float type leak detector, you'll need to follow your cleaning protocol to flush any fluid through to prevent prolonged exposure to your process chemical. Ensure the chamber is empty so the float resets. Once complete, screw the leak detector back into place and reset the message using the prompt on the keypad. And that's it. Thanks for watching.